A U.S. company is working to repurpose a breathalyzer. It is hopeful that the hardware that today measures the presence of alcohol and other intoxicants in a person's breath will be able to detect the coronavirus in those people who are most likely to spread it. More on this next report by Voice of America. Take a look.
Designers in California have built a breathalyzer to detect traces of marijuana. CEO of Hound Labs, Mike Lin, says tweaking that same technology may weaponize the breathalyzer in the war on COVID-19.
We've spent the last 6 years and about $50 million in R&D to develop some pretty unique breath technology that allows us to capture and analyze breath in such a way that we can detect just incredibly small concentrations of molecules.
Hound Labs tested about 50 people. More than 30 participants tested positive for COVID-19 after a nasal swab, but only 7 or 8 of those same people tested positive by breathalyzer.
And this is absolutely consistent with what we know about super spreaders, where about 20% of people with COVID-19 can spread it very, very widely to dozens of people, whereas the other 80% really don't spread it at all or spread it very minimally.
Lin admits this is all preliminary, but he calls the early implications enormous. While scientists work to combat the virus and develop a vaccine, he says the breathalyzer could help contact tracers identify the people most at risk of getting other people sick. Arash Arabasadi, VOA News, Washington.